We'll guide you through how to use the Claude Agent effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude Agent website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts to enter your details. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you can start by creating a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Give your project a name that helps you identify it later. After setting up your project, you can add tasks by clicking on the Add Task button. This is where you'll enter the specific actions or goals you want Claude to assist you with. You can customize each task with detailed instructions to ensure accuracy. Once your tasks are set, navigate to the Agent Settings tab. In this section, you can configure how Claude interacts with your tasks. You can adjust parameters such as response time, interaction style, and more to suit your preferences. After configuring the settings, hit Save to apply the changes. Now, you're ready to activate Claude. Simply click on the Start Agent button, and Claude will begin processing your tasks according to the instructions you've provided. You can monitor the progress in real time from the dashboard. If at any point you need to pause or stop Claude, you can do so from the same dashboard interface. Remember, you can always tweak the settings or tasks if needed. Using Claude effectively involves a bit of setup, but once it's running, it can be a powerful tool for managing your projects and tasks efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.